What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Plax back again with another reaction video. And in this video, I will be reacting to Man on the Train, a horror short film. Special shout out to Stitch. She just joined chat. She's a new chatter. She suggested this horror film. We was playing Outlast. She suggested this. We're gonna watch it. Let's get into it. I think I've seen a clip of this before. And if it's what I'm thinking of, this shit is scary as fuck. Chad is here with me though. Let's get into it. Whew. Y'all can hear the train going? Y'all can hear the audio? Oh man. Okay, cool. She's gorgeous, by the way. Yo, UK motherfuckers be making scary shit for real. People in the UK be making really scary shit. Uh-oh.
So it's like in front of the camera and everything's fine, right? Like we're shooting and like he's like being really positive.
Yeah, I think I seen a clip of this, man.
He was like, and I was like, okay, I'll walk around the back of the So yeah, then he wanted me to look at the pictures. So I went round to his side of the camera and it was so weird, like he just so slowly put his hand around my back. Why didn't you call me?
Okay. Okay, dude there, the shorties is there.
Yeah.
It's a couple people there. Everything's fine, right? Everything's good.
Cut forward 2 months later. Do you remember that girl in Jane? There's one box where you got off.
Am I wrong? No, it wasn't wrong. Like I obviously.
Yeah, before you got to Jane.
Why he look at her like that?
Send her a message. Grand.
I just feel like
We'll go for a few drinks. Right. Now, we're having a drink. She's asking me where you work. I said, I work at the same. I was chatting to her about it 2 weeks ago.
Everything's cool, right? It's just a regular train ride, right? Oh, fuck. Oh, no. What happened to the other people, guys? This motherfucker, man. I'm like, yo, Slime, what the fuck are you looking at, bro? Hey, nah, nah, fuck that. What you looking at, bro? What you looking at? Stop looking at me, man. Go lean in. Fuck you. When you scared, you gotta act tough, y'all. That's the key. If you truly scared, you gotta act tough as fuck. Oh, nah, I'm beefing, bro. We gotta beef because you're tweaking. We gotta beef. It's just me and you on here. The other 2 people that disappeared, or the other 3 people, we got a beef. Oh no, he closer, ain't he? Okay. Oh, where is he at? Oh no, I got a beef, bro. No, you're tweaking, bro. You're tweaking. We got a beef. Stand the fuck up. Stand the fuck up. Let's just beef. Let's get it over with. Cause you're fucking with me. Oh God. This some sick ass shit. Oh no, he right there, ain't he? Oh, shorty, don't cry. You got a beef, old boy. Nah, bro. Nah. Nah, bro. Oh my God. I almost threw up. That made my stomach hurt. I almost threw up. Oh no. Oh, Stitch. First of all, Stitch, great suggestion. I think I did see a clip of that before. Oh, they got a behind the scenes. Hey, YouTube, we about to get some extra. We about to get a behind the scenes look. Just so you know, I'm not as scared. We're gonna watch the behind the scenes joint. That's a fact, Nigel. Like, you got a beef, bro. Like, you obviously fucking with me. Damn, like, it's such a simple concept, but it's executed incredibly creative. Yeah, nah, beautiful. They did that beautifully.
That's it. Yeah, nice.
And I see that because that's like a relief. But it's not about it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, let's see. So, rolling and action.
Oh, wow.
Rolling and
I
action.
need a behind the scenes on how they got you yeeks out. Well, I don't think nobody wants to see the behind the scenes of that, because we seen what actually happened. They just took my cheeks. Episode 4, by the way, coming out on YouTube. Not tonight. Tomorrow. I think episode 4 come out tomorrow. I believe.
That's fine.
That's the cheeks episode.
Okay, Tamika, stand on your mark, please. I'm going to refocus. Okay, turn and face me. Great. And first position. Okay, chatter, chatter, chatter. Rolling. Oh, can you quickly shut it?
Oh, wow.
Keep up the energy, guys.
She must be co-director in this motherfucker.
Yeah, just throw it behind us. Okay, rolling.
She is gorgeous, by the
Energy
way. She's beautiful.
And action. Great. And action.
That's dope. I like this.
Time.
Oh, nah. Oh. Okay, so special shout out to Stitch for suggesting that. We even got some bonus in there. We watched the behind the scenes. That was a weird behind the scenes like video. I never seen that. Dude was just giving directions. They didn't really talk to anybody or anything like that. But that was a great short film. YouTube, I hope you guys enjoyed. I want you guys to put hashtag Stitch is great in the comments down below. Chat, I would like you guys to do the same thing if you want to. YouTube, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you ding that notification bell so you know every time I drop a video. And most of all, YouTube, buy some merch. I love you guys. Peace.